If you have never tasted chutney made with sambar cucumber, you are missing one of Karnataka's best traditional recipe. You can make a delicious refreshing chutney with yellow cucumber that tastes amazing with any dosa and rice. Hello everyone, welcome to HomePlateDelights. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and support the channel. Let's get started and make this delicious traditional cucumber chutney. Here I have taken one yellow cucumber. Trim off the edges, cut them into half. You can see there are so many seeds inside. Let's remove them. Remember, do not peel the skin of the cucumber. The peel is the star of this recipe. It adds beautiful flavor, texture and nutrition. Next, roughly chop the cucumber into bite-sized pieces. Now we are ready for the next and most important step of this recipe. Into a pan, add about a tablespoon of oil, about 1 tablespoon of chana dal, 1 teaspoon of urad dal. Fry it very well until it turns golden and crunchy. Now I am adding 3 to 4 Karnataka-style chilli, which gives a beautiful red color to the chutney. Now all these ingredients has turned nice and crunchy. It's time to add sambar cucumber. This is the most important step of the recipe, so do not rush it. Cook the cucumber slowly over a medium flame until it softens and all the raw smell disappears. We need to be very patient at this point. Add salt as per your taste. It looks perfect. The cucumber is nicely cooked. Turn off the flame, let it cool down. Let's move on and make a beautiful tadka to this. Add about a tablespoon of oil, quarter teaspoon of mustard seeds, few curry leaves, and the tadka is ready. Next, here I have taken 1 cup of freshly grated coconut. The sambar cucumber mixture is completely cooled down. Now let's add this into a mixer jar. A very small piece of tamarind, 1 small piece of jaggery. Add little water and grind it into thick core paste. Look at this. This is the right thickness and perfect texture to the chutney. Look at that beautiful bright color and the aroma of cucumber is so good. Pour the tadka on top of it and our delicious cucumber chutney is ready to enjoy. There is a wonderful neer dosa recipe on my channel. It goes perfectly well with this chutney. Please do check that out. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.